Hello, this is Herschel Teper, creator and owner of Silverlust Jewelry. I started this business in July of 1984, and for almost 40 years we have repaired, cleaned, engraved, sized, soldered, and created custom pieces for our customers. No jobs too small, no jobs too big. We have taken on jobs that few, if any other stores would even attempt. It has been my honor and pleasure to take that piece and turn it into something that you envisaged. I have loved the shop and all that goes with it for a big chunk of my life. But alas, nothing is forever, and I need to look ahead. I will be retiring at the end of 23, retiring, not going out of business. Eric and Melissa, my longtime associates and helpers, who have been with me for over 15 years apiece, will be the new owners. The spirit of Silverlust will continue into the future. Other than my absence, all will stay the same, and all that we have done in the past will continue into the future. This makes me happy, and I hope that the little shop that could goes from strength to strength. My gift to all of my loyal customers is a gigantic 3-month retirement sale. October through December of 2023, 40 to 50% off everything in the store. Do your Christmas shopping at half off. All those pieces you wanted are now no-brainers. Come and get them. Thanks for all the great memories. I love you all, Herschel.